Hi, welcome to the channel Everything Food and Life with JT. In this video, I'll be making an egg salad. First, you will have to boil your eggs and pick them. Boil them hard. Make sure that they're hard boiled eggs. I have gone ahead and boiled 3 eggs. However, I am only going to use 2 of these hard-boiled eggs to make the salad. Now I have completed picking the eggs. I will cut 2 of the eggs in halves. After which I will get a whole tomato, ripe tomato, and cut it in round circles. Slice it in round circles. I will also get a piece of cucumber and make dice shapes out of the cucumber. So if you have been following my channel, you know I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of eggs. And eggs are rich in protein and is just good to help build your immune system. It has a lot of other health benefits, but you can't eat too much because you don't want it to send up your cholesterol. Tomato is often confused to be a vegetable or a fruit, but does it really matter? We know it's good for our health. Botanically, it is considered a fruit, sorry, but culinary, it's considered to be a vegetable. Drop your comments and tell me what are your thoughts on this one. Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? Tomatoes are rich in antioxidant. It is juicy and sweet and helps to fight against several diseases. Tomatoes is high in lycopene, a plant compound linked to improve heart health, protect against sunburn, and help to prevent cancer. What's wrong with me? My tongue tied. Now I'm making the sauce to put on the salad, so I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of vinegar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and some black pepper. I am also going to add a little bit of lime juice. Then I'll combine the mixture. After combining the mixture, I will add the cucumbers that I have diced to the salt and combine it into. After combining the cucumber into the sauce, I will put the eggs into a smaller dish along with the tomatoes. Then I will go ahead and pour the sauce with the cucumbers onto the eggs. And there you have a nice and crunchous egg salad, which tastes great and is good for your health. Try this. Drop your comment. Let me know how I can improve on anything. Continue to enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for your support. Let me know where you're watching from.